ಚಂದ್ರು ಹತ್ಯೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಉರ್ದು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವನ್ನ ಚೂರಿಯಿಂದ ಚುಚ್ಚಿ ಕೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಮಾನುಷವಾಗಿ ಕೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Congress Youth President Mohammed Nalapad today filed a complaint against Home Minister Araga Jnanendra. He said, by making false statements, the Home Minister has intentionally promoted enmity on the grounds of religion. Taking advantage of the situation, Araga Jnanendra has spread this rumor to promote hatred amongst the peace-loving people of Karnataka.
Araga Jnanendra sir is our Home Minister. In Kannada, Ardha Jnana means half knowledge. Our Home Minister has half knowledge. He talks about issues in half knowledge space. When the situation is so tensed in Karnataka with the halal, hijab, the azan and all the issues that is going on, the Home Minister of the state is his responsibility to make sure that everything goes in, no problems arise. But the Home Minister gives a statement that a particular language not spoken, that is why the boy was killed. It was done on purpose to create unbiased, to create communal tension in Karnataka. But Kannadigas and we Karnataka people are not going to fall for his trap. Because one after the other, what these BJP people are trying to create, the public are understanding. Their failures as a government, the prices of every common commodity has gone up through the roof. They have failed the promises they have given the people of Karnataka. Sahib Ambedkar gave us a constitution on which we are alive, that we are all one. They keep asking in 70 years, what has Congress party done? 7 साल में कांग्रेस ने क्या किया? कांग्रेस ने ये किया कि हम सब साथ में रहते हैं, भाई भाई बन के, हिंदू मुसलमान क्रिश्चियन सब एक है, हम सब एक है करके, हम सब भारतीय है करके जीते हैं. मगर but the BJP wants to break this. In the last 7 years, the increasing number of cases and the things that they have done to break the communal harmony is what the BJP has done. Today on the statement, we have given a police FIR case on 3-4 sections. My legal team can explain better to you on what they have done. But the basic right as a minister, for him to be as a minister, is not there. Because it is his responsibility to make sure that everybody is safe and equal, but he tried to ruin that. We have filed a case, and as simple as this, when we had a protest today morning, they stopped us right at our gate. The police of Karnataka is the number one police in this country, but the Home Minister doesn't have the patience to take details from them, take briefing from them and tell people, but he wants to instead tell lies and spread hatred among the people of Karnataka.